Hey everybody, it's Mike Frieder here with On-Call Compliance Solutions, and I'm back with another compliance tip of the week. Today we're talking about, can I use any kind of domain in GCC High? Like, can I use a .io, or a .aero, or .defense domain? So hey, if you're a defense contractor who's feeling overwhelmed, tired, and alone, trying to understand all of this DFARs, NIST SP 800-171, and CMMC compliance stuff on top of an already colossal workload, if you feel like you're drowning in the hundreds of pages of confusing legalese and hard to understand techno mumbo jumbo, or even if you just need help connecting the dots for the leaders in your company between getting compliant and how it can lead to growth and higher profits, I've got great news for you. You found your home here at On-Call Compliance Solutions, where we can help you transform into your company's on-call compliance hero. Let's go. All right, so we just got a great question in the other day about a non.com domain names and non.us domain names. And the question was, can they be used in defense, or more specifically, can they be used in Office 365 GCC High environment? And it's a really great question because there's so much misinformation about what goes on in that environment. When people migrate over to GCC High, it certainly is nothing like Office 365 Commercial in terms of the setup and configuration, and there are definitely some major potholes that can get you in trouble. So if you're not familiar with this, Office 365 Commercial is not compliant for work involving CUI information. Okay, there are a lot of reasons for this. So I'll just sort of give you one now, which is data residency, right? So I'll just give you one reason. I won't go through the whole litany of them, but data residency is a big one. So Office 365 Commercial, it does not guarantee where the data will be stored and what support people will actually have access to it. So think U.S. defense information being stored outside the U.S. and supported and accessed by non-U.S. personnel. Yikes. All right, so Microsoft actually has information publicly published stating that Office 365 Commercial is not for use with CUI. And that is why there are other products that exist, such as Office 365 GCC and GCC High, right? They didn't just go make those things for fun. It is actually because the data is not authorized to flow in these ways with commercial. So again, this is very real. You can Google it. You can call us up for a link, etc. But this documentation is out there. It's hard. So again, if you're an IT director trying to convince your management of why you need to make the move, we can certainly help with that. Just give us a call. So with this in mind, the question is, can I use a non-US normal domain name in those environments? And the examples, again, might be like .io or .aero, just for fun, right? .marketing. The answer is yes. Okay, any domain can be used within Office 365 GCC High. A domain does not dictate where the data is stored or how email is transmitted. So this is perfectly acceptable. So if you got one of those oddball domains, if you're a multinational company, yes, we can still find a way to get you into GCC High with that domain. So my defense contractor friends, tell your marketing people, get creative, have fun, and you're cleared for takeoff with all of your cool custom domain names. Just make sure where you host services is compliant, and of course, we can help you with that if you need. So hey, at On-Call, we take defense contractors who have had this DFARS, NIST, CMMC, ITAR, and EAR information security compliance stuff dropped into their laps like a seagull on a sunny day, and we teach you how to level up and be a proper on-call compliance hero for your company, eliminating gaps, gray areas, and getting this solved, all while showing you how to leverage compliance as your secret weapon to land more defense work with higher profit margins. Now that's what becoming an on-call compliance hero can do for you. Looking for more help getting compliant? Our compliance experts are always on call for you. Visit cmmccompliancesecrets.com or check out the bio below for links to get help right now. There you can find more information about how we can help, self-schedule time at your convenience with one of our compliance experts through any form on the website, and learn more about our completely done-for-you services that can have you on your way to being compliant in just 2 to 3 days. And hey, if you love the content we're putting out here for you, help us out with a big thumbs up on that like button, or even better, smash the subscribe button to get the latest compliance content as soon as our compliance nerds roll it out. Until the next compliance tip, my friends, stay safe and secure out there, and hit us in the comments below to let us know what you'd like to know more about when it comes to information security and compliance. I'll see you on the next one.